Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Edinburg High School for our first multi-purpose building ribbon cuttings. And today we're here to celebrate more than just an opening of a new facility. We celebrate an investment in our students and their future.
Well, what we're doing today is we're doing a grand opening of our multi-purpose rooms with a wrestling emphasis. These are really important rooms. It's a great investment in our kids. All our wrestling programs didn't have a place where they can, dedicate to themselves, to lay their mat, to work out. But at the same time, these rooms are going to be used for multi-purpose things, and that athletically and fine arts. So we're excited about this grand opening. We have all these buildings in all 4 of our high schools. It's just a great investment in our athletes and our student athletes, and giving them opportunity just to get better at their craft. And you need this, especially with our weather, in extreme heat sometimes. This gives us more opportunity to do things with our kids, and so that they're not just sitting around. So we're really excited about today and opening this to all our schools, and we're just super thankful to our superintendent and our school board for making that commitment to athletics and to fine arts and to the multi-purpose use of these buildings.
The facility is going to serve a multi-purpose, not only for our wrestling team, but for all the great organizations that we have here at Edinburg High School. Well, there's always a need for more facilities, upgrades, and when it comes to education. But how long? Well, our wrestling team was established maybe about 4 or 5 years ago, and it's in recent years that we've met state championship levels, and then our kids are just excelling in this sport. So having a complex like this is not only going to help them prepare for those competitions, but most importantly at a state and at a higher level. Again, that not only goes for wrestling, but that goes for every other organization as well.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, cut. Yay! There it is. Good job. Congratulations.